Hey folks, Mark.Nored, Guaranty RV here today in Junction City. Today we got a Newmar Baystar Sport. It's the 2702. Great little floor plan, easy to drive. Great for those national parks, stopping in the state. Getting that perfect spot on the river, folks. Come on inside and take a look at this awesome floor plan in a 27-foot Class A RV. I love this rig, and actually this one here we're featuring the walnut color, so to speak. Gives you those dark brown rich colors, light leather, great patterns in this coach. Really nice. We have a real big slide here, folks, which is nice. Gives us that sofa, gives us that booth. A little bit of separation's good. You got double pane windows. You've got a great floor plan, whether it's short-term or long-term visit. We've got a great master suite back here. Lots of storage, extra windows. Great decor in here. You can see the headboard also has the windows for cross ventilation, your accent lighting, and again you have your great Newmar quality. We have a great bath in here, residential size, so to speak, of the shower. Lots of cabinets, really nice quality. Again, you see the decor, very residential. Lots of good countertop space here with the different wallpapers. You've got, again, high-end stainless steel sink, not real tinny like the inexpensive ones. We got an oven, and this one we have a microwave. Nice refrigerator. It's a good size. And again, these here are, you know, your shorter rigs. Just enough room to get you out there. And if you do go long-term, I find a lot of people go to the market quite a bit, and that's great. So again, we got a real nice cozy. You can see the chairs all turn, add additional seating, makes it really comfortable for entertaining. Come on outside, folks, take a look at this rig. Talking a lot about safety features. We're talking a 2702. If you go look at your shorter Class A's, very few of them come with the side cameras. We order these fully loaded, so there is a difference. That's a great safety features. We got full paint, amazing paint job by Newmar. Quality, quality, quality. Again, this is a sport, folks. You were looking at the storage back here. This goes all the way through, and look how fun that is to put stuff in and go camping. It's just a solid RV, folks. If you're interested in a Newmar, give us a call. Mark.Nored, Guaranty RV in Junction City. Make it a great day. Thank you.